How to use guide grids in sheets to position views in the same exact position. Go to View tab, click on Guide Grid. We can rename the name of the guide grid. Click OK. We can minimize something that's easier for us to notice the position. So here what I'm going to do is, there are grids for the plan. I want to position something referring 7A. Drag it. So we can position our sheets related to this point. So whenever I go to the other sheet, here I need to position 7A. So first I need to place a guide grid here. Click on guide grid, and at this time I don't want to create a new one, so I need to use the already created one, and I want to follow that position. So here guide grid 1 is already created. Click OK. Now it's appeared here, and we can move our view pointing here to here. So it's exactly in the same position now. So whenever I have different plans, I need to position them in the same exact position. I can follow this method, and finally I can just hide guide grids from VV, visibility graphics, annotation category, and here guide grids. Guide grid here, I can turn it off. Click OK. And for level 1, 2, visibility graphics, annotation category, type G, and here guide grids. Click OK. Now it's exactly in the same position for different sheets.